How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to find your wallet address, tap on any of the coins or tokens from the provided option. You will then see the option for send or receive along with various other options. Tap on the receive option and then Trust will show you the QR code and the public address underneath it. You can do this for each and every single asset inside if you want to. So, this is how you can find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.